So, nag-direct message sa ako nga mag-upload na po daw kog a day in my life diaries. So, today is our third week of upskill training for an advanced service. And as someone who works in a call center for 3 years now, it's really hard for me to adjust, especially in our time schedule kay naga-change good siya depende sa staffing. But so far, ginakaya man. And that's why I encourage everyone to be mentally and physically ready for this job, especially if you're planning to apply in a call center. So, as you can see on the video, akong ka-office mate is nagsulat nga tired na daw siya, tapos ako happy, bisag dili good. So, we actually had a chance nga isulat ang among gibati ana nga time, and after ana is nami free cupcake. So, gi-picturean sa nako na of course, and fast forward, buntag na siya, naghapit ko kadali sa Dunkin Donuts, then paadto ko nagpalingki para magpalit og gulay and then magluto na pod. So, kana lang guys, bye-bye!